What's up guys, this is Jolan here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to get the look and feel of iOS 11 on any Android smartphone. There are many of us who love iPhones or iOS but due to its high price factor are unable to purchase them. So if you're one of them, then you're at the right place. Having said that, let's get into this video and turn your Android smartphone to iOS. First and foremost, all what you need to do is go to Google and search for iOS 11 wallpaper. Once the page opens, go to images and open the first image. Then wait for the image to load or open the image in the new tab and download the image. Once done, go home and find a place where that particular image is saved and apply that image as your wallpaper. There you go, your first part is done. So next what you have to do is go to Google again and search for iLauncher iOS 11 APK. Once the page opens, scroll down until you find the website m.apkhere.com and open it. Once the website opens, scroll down to find the version 3.1.4 of the iLauncher APK. Then click on it and download it. Kindly note, if you have not turned on your unknown sources, then kindly go to settings, security, unknown sources, and enable it. Once downloaded, say open and install the app. After installing, click open and set iLauncher to default. Now you can see that all your icons are on the home screen and it looks just like an iPhone. Next, go to Preferences, Personalization, and say Enable Fifth Row and turn it on. Now click Home and you're done. Now to make the notification shade look like iOS, all we have to do is go to google.com and search for an app called as iNoti APK. Open the app listed in the website m.apkhere.com. Once the website opens, scroll down to find the version 1.0.6.1 of the iNoti APK. Then click on it and download it. Once downloaded, say open and install the app. Once installed, click open and enable iNoti and show battery percentage. Then go home. So now, pulling down the notification shade, you will see it's the same notification shade as found on iOS. Now go to the All tab and give it accessibility permission. Find iNoti and turn it on. Then go home and you're done. So now you have your notification shade which will show you all the notification just the way it showed on iOS. Now that we have set the iOS launcher and the notification shade, let's move on to the control center. For this you will have to open the Play Store and search for an app called as iOS 11 Control Center and install it. Once installed, open it and set it up. Once done, go to the Position tab and set the position to bottom. Increase the color transparency to maximum and reduce the size to minimum. Then give it permission to draw over other apps. Once done doing these settings, go home. So now swiping from the bottom, you will get to your control center. Now as you can see, you can increase or decrease the volume, increase or decrease the brightness manually or use automatic brightness. You can also control your music with the dedicated music control. You also have toggles for airplane mode, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi as well. Besides that, toggles for torch, calculator and camera are also present. So basically it's the same control center that you would find on any iPhone and it works really well to a very great extent. Now that everything is set, The last thing we need to do is to install the keyboard like the one found on iOS. For that you have to go to the Play Store again and search for an app called as Emoji Keyboard 7 and install it. Once done, open it and say Activate Me on the setup wizard. Then click Get Started and enable in settings. Then you will have to turn it on in language and input. Once done, click on Switch Input Method and select English UK Emoji Keyboard 7. Then click Finished and you're good to go. Now by default your keyboard will be set to a black theme keyboard, but iOS has a white keyboard. So for this you will have to scroll down to find the white flat 7 themed keyboard, click on it and install it. Once installed, go home and open the app Emoji Keyboard 7 and scroll down to find the white flat 7 theme keyboard and click on it. And there you go. Now you have your white keyboard which is as found on iOS with all its function. Having installed all the apps now, you can see your Android smartphone looks just like an iPhone with almost all its features. Long pressing on any icon will open more functions like change icon, change title, set this app as, and hide this app. Say for example, if you hide the app and want to restore it back sometimes later, then you will have to go to Preferences, App Management, and then say Restore Hidden Apps. Some of the apps may not have the same icons of the iOS, but for this you can download the icons manually and then change it for the particular app by long pressing on the app icon and clicking Change Icon. So now you have a fully functional iOS 11 on your Android smartphone. So guys, that's it for the video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. If not, then turn it down. Do subscribe to me if you haven't and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.